Good morning, guys. This is Ask Anastasia, and believe it or not, September 2021, you still can find some houses here in Cincinnati that are not selling for crazy amount of money. So this house, it's in a pretty much it's not far out of downtown. This is Duplex. It's look really nice from outside, and it has two separate mailbox, two separate everything. So let's just go inside and see how it's look inside. It's look like estate sale. So this is where you enter house, and this is kitchen. For those of you girls who complain about kitchen that it's not remodeled, here is a kitchen. That's it. We have a sink, we have a stove and fridge, and it's gonna be it. Okay, and some cabinet. And let's take a look in the bathroom, which has some design on it. This is really tiny. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show how tiny it is, but this is a door, so if I close the door I have to get in. Okay, and this is a sink. This is the size of the sink. This is my hand, so it's really tiny. Tub, but ceilings look okay. And this is a toilet, right? And from here we are going to the bedroom. Looks okay, but until you see this huge crack. I'm just showing you these details, so when you look at a house you pay attention to these small things, because most likely it means that foundation is having problem if you have a cracks like this. Okay, and then we are going to the second room. That's why I told you it must be estate sale, because it still have some furniture here. And this guy was using duct tape everywhere. And another small room. I would call it office, but it's really small. One more room from here. You see all this wallpaper, but you can see that it's all cracking. For me it's a sign that house is shifting. You see some cracks on the wall. And from here we can go to the second floor. So this unit is a duplex, so this door would be an entrance to the second floor. And let's go there. Duct tape again. And it's old windows. And it's one more room. This is pretty big. It used to be fireplace here. This is closet. Again, it's good to see this kind of houses, so we stop complaining that our walk-in closet is too small. This is second room. Now look at the ceiling. And this is one more room from here. Which is really weird. That's it. That's our room. This is a room. I would say 4 feet. But it has a window and bed and closet. Duct tape. This is down. And we have kitchen right here. And when I talk about, I believe it has problem with the roof. Now you know what I'm talking about, right? All these leaks, cracks, leaks. And this is another kitchen. Stove, refrigerator, and sink. And this is kitchen cabinet. Duct tape again. And this is another bathroom. So I don't know who's using these tiny things. So what do you guys think? This house is for sale for $80,000, 80. And we have one bedroom. I don't know if you can count the other room as a bedroom. And big living room and kitchen. And another 2 rooms downstairs. So let me know if you would buy it for 80,000. I would say 2 bedroom can rent like for 700, 750, maybe. I don't feel like going to the basement, but let's see if it's not too far. We will go. Basement, basement, basement. Am I in the right direction for the basement? Yeah. Okay. This is a basement. Wow, this is really steep. Smell mold here. Okay, and this is the thing with the foundation. Like it's blowing. Not sure if I can show, but it has 2 units electrical. It has AC here. It's really tiny. Washer and dryer, water heater. I'm not sure if it's for 2 units or just 1. And this, if you are doing Section 8, it's not gonna fly. You need to remove all this peeling paint. Okay, leave me a comment below if you would buy this.